Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have, oh, there it is, it's llano, and it is an eye massager. So this thing here will hopefully help me get rid of a bunch of the headaches that I get with my eyes. So let's check this out here. And keep the plastic up here. Oh. And it comes with here card for customer support. A little carrying bag for it here, so that's kind of cool that it comes with that. We have our instructions, we have our device, and then we have it's going to be a charging cable. Let's see if I can open that up. It is, yes, USB to USB-C charging cable. So it looks like that's everything that's in there. Let's open up the eye massager and see what we get. So here, ooh, that looks pretty sweet. Okay, so it's got a cool look to it, very shiny and bright. I guess I can come up here to show you guys it and try it on. You can see it's definitely reflecting everything off of it. Here's our instructions. Let's see if I can figure it out without some instructions. It says music on, off, sleep mode, double click the button, hot compress mode, comfort mode. Okay, so let's see. I don't know. Oh. Did you hear that? It said, welcome to using smart something massager. Okay, oh, and it's going. Oh, wow, I can see through it. Okay, so I totally didn't think I'd be able to see through it. It just makes everything dark. But wow, okay, so it is going and it is doing around my eyes. It's not gonna do the center of my eyes because that's where I'm looking through. But how cool is it? Oh, it's compressing right around there. This is really neat. And I hear like a little music going. So let me see. I said I could push the button. Beauty mode. Oh, and then it's compressing simultaneously like that. So there's a few different modes, I guess, depending on what you do. Oh, now it's pushing in the middle. So it did the side in the middle. The other one was kind of just going around. Sleep mode. So it's compressing here. It's waves. I feel like I would have to go pee. Heating mode. Oh, it's just heating. I don't even think there's any air going. It's not doing the compression. It's just hot. Clear mode. Oh, I guess it's going back to the beginning again. So it's got like a little music going. I don't know if you can hear it. But it's got a little music that plays. But these are cool. Super comfy, a little tight. I think I can loosen it with this thing here. Definitely. Yeah, there. Wow, it's in a pretty tight mode. I can loosen it a little. There we go. Much better. Yeah, how cool is that? And then when you're done, I think you just, I said thank you for using. You just fold it up and you can stick it in the bag. And then to charge it, it's right under there. So that's cool. It's only got the one button to deal with. I guess when I was looking through it, that's cool. I don't know if you guys can see through it at all, but there is a little screen there so you can see through. But it's weird. Nobody will know that you're able to see through it. They'll think that it's just totally dark. So let's see what we got here on any of these instructions, see if I missed anything. We have double layered 8-zone air massage. I did feel it in a lot of different places around there. I'm guessing it's 4 on each side because I think I only felt 4 places. Yeah, so it's airbag, visible hole, adjustable size, push button, status light. I guess it does have a light on the outside of it, although that would be other people can see it, not me. And then charging port. So I think we pretty much had everything going, all of our different modes. And I guess, a smart reminder so that I think after 10 minutes, it's gonna remind you that you're using it. Oh no, it's gonna be when the power is low and it's only 10 minutes left, it'll do that. And 15 minutes, it'll automatically switch off. So if I'm wearing it on an airplane or something, every 15 minutes, I'll have to turn it on again if I wanna keep it going, but chances are I'll fall asleep. So, very cool. I like this thing here. Llano, it looks really nice. It looks like a really heavy duty kind of piece of equipment. It's a cool way you can see through it. So that'd be great, like on a plane or something like that. So I could be massaging my eyes. Nobody will know I can see out of it, but then I'll be able to see when the whatever the cabin attendant or whatever comes and wants to take my order for a drink or whatever. So super cool. Thumbs up. I like this.